Hi there, welcome to 110RC Scale Tales, and it's another diecast video. It's a Hot Wheels box opening, and today it's car culture, Hot Wheels off-road. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit that notification bell for future videos. Please comment, good or bad, I will reply. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let's waste no more time. Let's see what's in the box. And first off, it's the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 2005. Very nice. Lots and lots of detail. Looking good, and it's silver paintwork with nice blue stripes on the side. 4 shades of blue. Roof rack. Spotlights on the bumper and on the roof. Nice spare wheel at the back. Very nice. I do like that one a lot. I love the artwork on the packaging. You can see the vehicle on a hillside somewhere on some rocky terrain, looking rather good. So there you go, that's the 2005 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Put it over there. Next up, number 2 of 5 is another Toyota. So we're jumping about 10 years newer. This is a 2018 Toyota 4Runner. A very nice light blue. Very nice vehicle. Fortunately not on sale here in the UK. Very popular across in the United States and Canada and other parts of the world. Not sold here in the UK. Very nice truck. Love the detail of the roof rails there. Logos and license plates. Looking very good. This car is sitting on a dirt road somewhere in the countryside. Looking very nice. Next up, it's number 3. Another Mercedes-Benz G-Class joins the Hot Wheels ever-growing collection of cars. This one is called the Big Pilot, part of IWC Schaffhausen, excuse my pronunciation, team support vehicle. Getting lots of nice detail on the car. Lights and logos, front and rear. Spotlights at the top. Looking rather nice. Next up, which I would say is the oddball of the collection. With every car culture, you always get one vehicle which I always think is odd. And it's this one here, the Big Air Bel Air. You might disagree out there. I'm not saying I don't like the car. It looks really nice. Two-tone, white and sort of a very light blue colour with matching interior. Lots of chrome accents with the bumper, spotlights, and indeed you can just see them there, roof lights. And is that a fuel can coming out the back? Nice detail with the logos at the back. Big chunky tyres on it. Looking rather nice. Somewhere in the desert in the United States, I would guess. Yeah, looking rather cool. So that is the Big Air Bel Air, Chevy Bel Air. And last but not least out of the collection is my favourite. Number 5 of 5 is the classic Range Rover, or as they've called it here, Range Rover Classic. And it's pictured on the artwork on a desert, so I'm presuming it's somewhere in Africa and it's part of the Paris-Dakar rally. Very nice. Loving the checkered spotlights on the front of the car. Tiny sunroof. Probably on the real car was a bit bigger. Nice logo and light detail as usual on these cars. There you can see the sponsors. and the number 333. Very, very nice. Like the yellow through to black sort of color scheme on the car. Looks very nice. So yes, that is definitely my favorite. So that's number 5 of Hot Wheels off-road, part of the car culture collection. There you go. So that's the car culture collection. So these are ordered online from a large diecast supplier in the UK, and I have ordered a few extra ones just to top up the order, and they're in the box also. So let's see what's here. Now, these are individual cars from various collections, and I bought them because they were in keeping with the Hot Wheels off-road collection. And this one's from the Fast and Furious set, number 2 of 5. It's the Land Rover Defender 110. Very military-like with its matte green colour scheme and hardtop. Again, lots of nice detail with the rear lights and logos, front and rear. Very, very nice. Looks like it's pictured somewhere in the jungle somewhere. Very, very nice. I do like that. Another one in keeping with the off-road theme is this one. It's a mainline from the Badger Blazers collection, and it's a Land Rover Series 2. So this goes back to the 1960s. This is a short wheelbase, and this is what we called a Land Rover 88 inches long wheelbase. So this is an open top. You can see the screen folded down. Extra detail there with the spare wheel on the bonnet. And turn it the right way, you just see the Land Rover logoed surfboard and straps. There you go. Very cool. And it does say that on the side. Look at that. It's cool. So there you go. That's a little extra one there. So I think you can pick these up at most toy shops or pound stores or dollar stores. You'll get one of these, no bother. But a nice addition to the off-road collection. The remaining 2 in the box are not off-road. I bought them because I liked them, and this one in particular from the Horizon 5 Forza collection, or Forza Horizon 5, and it speaks for itself. It's a 78 Ford Escort RS 1800 Mark II. Now what's interesting about this also, this is part of the new Hot Wheels branding with the gold logo for premiums, and this is part of the pop culture collection. The car itself is absolutely fantastic. Looking at the detail is incredible. For 1/64th, very, very cool. Love the wheels on it, nice and scale for the car, period looking for the car. I like the red, white and blue at the rear of the car, and probably, I'm not sure, was this car in reality is sponsored by British Airways, but it does remind me of the British Airways flags on the back of the airplanes, back of the aircraft. I do like that a lot. Very, very nice model. And there we can see it speeding down some course, some rally somewhere in the world. There you go, that's the 78 Ford Escort RS 1800 Mark II. And last but not least, it's not a rally car, it's not off-road, it's a muscle car. It's a 1970 Chevrolet Nova from the Hot Wheels Fast and Furious collection. This is number 3 of 5. Why have I bought this one? Because it's pictured in the city of Edinburgh, which as the crow flies is about 10 miles from where I'm standing right now. And I thought, gotta have that one as part of the collection. Apart from anything else, the car itself is very, very nice. Very nice silver colour. And like all the other cars, lots of nice detail with the logo, the lights, and the grille, etc. So there you go. That is today's box opening. I put the bonus cars away. and we'll have a look at the off-road cars again. So we have the Range Rover, the Big Air Bel Air, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, the Toyota 4Runner, and the Toyota Land Cruiser. Let me know what you think of the cars, the video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Please comment, good or bad, I will reply. And I look forward to seeing you on the next 110 RC Scale Tail video. Keep on collecting. All the best now. Bye bye.